In this video, I'll show you how to block all adult websites on Google Chrome. So what you want to do is open up Google Chrome, then go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, and then click on Settings. Once you're in Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and we're going to change one simple thing here. From here, you need to scroll down and go to Security, and then scroll down again and you should see this. So use secure DNS. Now this setting by default is going to be with your current service provider, but what we're going to do is click on this button here and then change this to clean browsing. So this is going to clean up your whole browser, and once you're browsing with this DNS server, you're not going to have access to any adult websites. So just to prove it and show you, and just to prove it works here, if we go to the address bar and type in, we all know what that means. You can see when we click enter, it says the site can't be reached, and that is because we're on the family-friendly DNS. So I hope that video did help you out.